This is a classic earwax cleaning that I did in clinic for this gentleman that wears hearing aids. So he's been wearing hearing aids for about 20 years. So he comes into clinic to get his ears cleaned out regularly. At the top there, you can see a little speck of blood because he has been using a newly found scissor to cut his ear hair. I kind of warned him that he should be very careful about this. You can actually kind of see specks of hair flakes that are inside of his ear canal. But, one question I get from people are like, when do I use a curette versus using a suction? And I think in general, both can work in a lot of scenarios, but in the cases where the wax is really dried and right on the ear canal, I do prefer to use the curette because it does a pretty good job and avoids having really loud noises by the suction. Have a good day.